online students at sa lahat ng ating viewers. Nakaraang lesson ay tinuruan tayo kung paano mas madaling makuha ang sum at product of the roots ng isang quadratic equation. Paano naman kapag ang binigay ay sum at product of the roots at ang kukunin ay ang mismong equation nito? Paano kaya yun? Yan ang ating alamin sa video lesson na ito. Pero bago yan, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share, at subscribe sa aming channel para ikaw ay isang maging matalinong Noipi. So, finding the quadratic equation given the sum and the product of its roots. So, the quadratic equation can be determined by the sum and product of its roots, which is in the following form. So, ang gagamitin nating form mamaya is ito. So, x squared plus sum, opposite sign nito, nitong sum, then the variable, plus product, same sign ng product, then equate natin sa 0. But if the given are the roots, there are two ways to determine its equation. So first, multiplying the factored forms equated to 0. And then the second, getting its sum and product. So ang gagamitin lang natin dito ay yung getting its sum and product para mas madali. So, nilagay ko na yung form na nasa taas. So, let's have the first example. So, sum is positive 9 and the product is 18. So, lagay lang natin tong form na to. So, x squared plus yung sum, pero yung opposite sign. Opposite sign ng positive 9 ay negative 9. Then, variable x plus same sign ng product, so positive 18. Ilalagay natin 18 and then simplify natin. So we have x squared minus 9x plus 18 is equal to 0. Nakuha po ba? Okay, second example tayo. So example number 2, the sum is negative 12 and the product is 27. Again, ilagay natin yung form. X squared plus, yung opposite sign ng sum natin. So, sum natin ay negative 12. Kukunin lang natin yung kabaliktaran ng sign yan. So, positive 12, then variable x plus product. Same sign ng product is 27 pa din. Is equal to 0, then simplify. We have x squared plus 12x plus 27 is equal to 0. Number 3. Sum is 0 and the product is negative 9. So we have x squared plus opposite sign ng sum. So wala naman tayong negative 0. So 0 pa din yan. And then, same sign ng product. So negative 9. Then, simplify natin. So, we have x squared. Wala tayong 0x. So, constant na lang. So, minus 9 is equal to 0. Nakuha? So, let's have the fourth example. So, sum is 2/3 and the product is 5/2. So, paano yan? Fraction yung sum at product natin. So, same pa din yung gagawin natin. So, lagay natin muna yung form. So, we have x squared plus, langkan muna natin yung sum, x, plus yung product, same sign yan, is equal to 0. So, lagay na natin, opposite sign ng sum natin is negative 2/3. And then, product is 5/2. Yan. Then, ang susunod natin gagawin ay kukunin natin yung LCM ng denominator natin. Ang denominator ay 3 at 2. So, ano ba ang LCM niyan? Ang LCM niyan ay 6. So, ibig sabihin, i-multiply natin yung buong equation by 6. Then, 6 times x squared ay 6x squared plus 6 times negative 2, negative 12. divided by 3 ay negative 4. Then, x plus 6 times 5, 30, divided by 2, 15. That is equal to 0. Then, write natin yung equation. We have 6x squared minus 4x plus 15 is equal to 0. So let's have example number 5. So the given for number 5, the sum is 1/4 and product is negative 3/2. So same lang na ginawa natin kanina sa number 4. Lagay muna natin yung form. We have x squared plus yung sum mamaya, then variable x plus product is equal to 0. Then, lagay na natin the sum, opposite sign of sum, is negative 1/4 and the product is negative 3/2. Then, kunin natin yung LCM. Since ang denominator natin ay 4 and 2, ang LCM niyan ay 4. So, we multiply the whole equation by 4. Then, simplify. We have 4x squared plus, matatanggal to. Then we have negative 1x plus 4 divided by 2 is 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 equals 0. Then let's rewrite the equation. So we have 4x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, let's have number 6. So yung formula, x squared plus, yung isa mamaya, pero opposite sign, plus, product is equal to 0. Opposite sign ng sum natin is negative 6. Same sign ng product is 1/3. Then, LCM. So, 3 and 1. So, multiply lang natin by 3. We have 3x squared. 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. X plus 3 times 1 is 3 divided by 3. 1 equals to 0. Write natin, we have 3x squared minus 18x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, paano naman kapag roots ang given? So, the given roots are negative 5 and 7. So, kukunin lang natin yung sum. So, ibig sabihin, pag-add lang natin, we have negative 5 plus 7. That is 2 or positive 2. And then product, negative 5 times positive 7, negative 35. At yun na. Gagamitin ulit natin yung form ng pagkuha ng equation. So, opposite sign ng sum natin. Positive yan, so maging negative. Same sign ng product natin, negative 35. And then, simplify. So, x squared minus 2x minus 35 is equal to 0. Number 8 example. The roots are negative 3 and negative 9. So, ang sum natin ay negative 3 plus negative 9. That is negative 12. Then the product, negative 3 times negative 9 is 27. Then, lagay natin yung form. Let's get the opposite sign of the sum. positive 12, and then the product is same sign, 27. Lagyan natin, we have x squared plus 12x plus 27 is equal to 0. Yan. Punta tayo sa number 9 example. So, number 9 example, roots natin ay 7 at negative 7. So, ano ba yung sum niyan? So, 7 plus negative 7, that is 0. And then product, 7 times negative 7, negative 49. So, let's write the form. Then, opposite sign ng 0, wala naman tayong negative 0, so 0. And then, same sign ng product, 49. Then, we have x squared, wala tayong 0x. So, we have negative 49 is equal to 0. Number 10. The root is 8. Kapag sinabi nating 8, ibig sabihin parehas na 8 yung roots niyan. So, ang sum niyan, so 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. And then product, 8 times 8 equals 64. Then, lagay tayo ng form and then kunin natin yung opposite sign ng sum natin. So, negative 16. And then, yung product natin, same sign, 64. Then, let's simplify. We have x squared minus 16x plus 64 is equal to 0. Yan. Okay, let's have number 11 example. Ayan naman, fraction na naman. So, paano yan? So, same lang din naman yung gagawin natin. Kukunin natin yung sum. So, we have 2/3 plus 1 over 5. Then, kunin natin yung LCM ng denominator. 15. So, kanina, yung ginawa natin, 15. Then, multiply sa numerator, then divide sa denominator. Pwede din naman, 15. Unahin natin yung divide. So, 15 divided by 3, that is 5. Then, multiply sa taas. So, 15 divided by 3 is 5 times 2. So, that is 10. Plus, 15 divided by 5 is 3 times 1, 3. So, that is equal to 13 over 15. So, ang sum natin ay 13 over 15. Product tayo. So, yung product, yung multiply lang natin. So, we have 2/3 times 1 over 5. So, ang pag-multiply ng fraction ay numerator, multiply lang sa numerator. So, 2 times 1, that is 2 over denominator, multiply sa denominator, that is 15. So, ang product natin ay 2 over 15. Then, ilagay na natin siya sa form ng pagkuha ng equation. So, x squared plus yung sum, then variable x plus product is equal to 0. Sum natin is 13 over 15. So, opposite sign yan ay 13 over 15. Then, product, same sign, 2 over 15. Then, ang LCM niyan ay, ang denominator niya ay 15, 15. So, multiply natin yung buong equation by 15. Then, simplify natin 15 times x squared, 15x, plus, so ito, makakancel lang to. So, we have negative 13x plus Same lang, makakancel din. So, times 2 equals to 0. So, write lang natin yung pinakasagot. We have 15x squared minus 13x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, let's have number 12 example. Ayan, fraction na naman. Kukunin pa din natin yung sum. Madali lang yan. So, sum ay 5/7 plus 4/7. Since magkaparas na sila ng denominator, mas madali natin makukuha yung sum. So, copy lang natin yung denominator, 7. Then, perform the operation sa numerator, 5 plus 4, that is 9. So, ang sum natin ay 9/7. Product naman, sa product we have 5/7 times 4/7. So, numerator times numerator, 20/7 times 7, 49. So, ang product natin ay 20/49. So, lagay na natin siya sa form ng pagkuha ng equation. So, we have x squared plus yung product natin. Then, variable x plus, this is sum, and then ito ay product is equal to 0. So, opposite sign ng sum natin ay negative 9/7. Then, product natin ay same sign, 20/49. Then, LCM niyan ay 49. Simplify natin, we have 49x squared plus 49 divided by 7 is 7 times 9, that is equal to negative 63 x plus, cancel to, so you have 20 is equal to 0. Then, simplify na natin. Write natin, we have 49x squared minus 63x plus 20 is equal to 0. Yan ang equation natin.
Ayan. Sobrang dali lang matukoy ang quadratic equation kapag ang given ay sum at product ng roots nito. Gagamitin lang natin ang form na to. At kapag ang given ay roots, i-add lang natin ito upang makuha ang sum at i-multiply para makuha ang product. At yun na! Pwede na natin gamitin ang form ng pagkuha ng equation. At kung may mga questions, feel free to write them in the comment section below. Hanggang sa muli, matalinong Noy P.